Hey guys, how are you? I am super excited. I have been waiting to open this box all week. Now it is Saturday, so this video will be going up on Sunday. I'm filming it the day before, but today is Saturday, December 1st, pretty crazy. But I've been waiting for this because, as you can read by the title, it is the Craft Beer of the Month Club, and I am so excited. I usually drink wine, but I've really gotten into craft beers. I remember back in the day when I was younger, I would drink like those light beers. I can't do that anymore, but I really do enjoy a nice craft beer. And I was super excited to review this too because I think this is a great gift idea. I think this could be for men and women. I know a lot of the boxes I show on this channel are more like geared towards women, obviously. But this one could be either. I know this would be a great gift for guys. I actually gifted an ex-boyfriend this back in the day, and he loved it. I think I got him like a 3 or 6 month subscription. And it's pretty affordable. Because craft beers can be a little pricey. So the price of this is $42 a month, but you do get free shipping in the United States. So it's $42 a month, but I have a $5 off code, which I will put in the description box. And that's good until the end of the year. So if you're gonna get this, make sure to take advantage of that. So it's less than $40. Super great gift idea. Right now the box is on the ground. I would lift it up and show you, but it's kind of heavy. It has 12 beers in it. I will lift the beers up and show you in just a moment. So when I opened the box, there was a card on top and it said, "Here's to you." And it says, "Enjoy your 12 assorted beers from 2 outstanding craft breweries. Cheers. Looking forward to seeing your reviews. Cheers, Bradley." So that was really nice. So they did send this to me free for review, but of course my opinions are always my own. So that won't change anything I say about this. And then on the back it says, "Make your craft beer club membership the best gift ever. If your gift is more than 1 shipment, your next shipment will arrive during the last 2 weeks of the schedule of subsequent months." It says an adult's signature is required with each delivery, and then something about tracking. And then underneath this nice card they sent me were 2 information sheets that look like this. So this comes in every box, and this is the micro-brew news, and there's 2 breweries each month featured, and they are usually like award-winning breweries. They have really good beer. I'm assuming, I'll try it soon. But so the first one is High Wire Brewing Company, and this is based out of North Carolina. So it's one of Asheville, North Carolina's largest and fastest growing craft breweries. High Wire Brewing Co. takes a fun circus-themed approach with their classic yet creative craft beers. And it looks like the 2 beers from this are the Low Pitch Juicy IPA. It's a pale ale, and then a High Wire Lager. So you can see them right there. So it gives information on both. And then it gives you like a whole thing on the brewery itself, which is really cool. And on the back, there's a recipe for food to go with your beer. And then each sheet for each brewery has trivia. And I'll ask you guys if you want to answer in the comments. I don't know if you guys will know the answer, but if you do know, you can comment. I'll tell you if you're right, because the answers are here too. So the first question, there's 2 on each sheet. This one says, "What are Brettanomyces?" I can guess by that last 4 letters. I have a microbiology degree, but I don't know exactly what it is, but I have a good guess without reading. It's probably like a yeast. Oh, I'm not supposed to tell you guys. Okay, I won't tell the answer. You guys can go in the description box and write the answer, and I'll let you know if you're right. And the second question is, what is the difference between ale yeast and lager yeast? I guess that question kind of gave it away, right? So yeah, if you know, let me know in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're right. So that's super fun. And the second brewery featured in this box is Central Waters Brewing, and this is based out of Wisconsin, so Midwesterner like me. A leading craft brewer in central Wisconsin, Central Waters makes a name for itself with nationally recognized barrel aging program and award-winning sustainability practices. Cool. So the beers they have featured here are the Honey Blonde Ale and HHG APA. So there's that. And then there's another recipe on the back, and it tells you all about the brewery and has a picture. And this only has 1 trivia question. It says, "What is chill haze?" So if you know, write it in the comment section. It's so fun. I love trivia. Okay, I'll try to refrain from reading it now. So I'm going to show you the beers right now, and then I'm going to go put them in the fridge. In a few hours, I'm going to try them, and I'm going to come back on camera and then open my advent calendars for the day. I know yesterday I almost forgot to do the advent calendars, but I thought it'd be fun so I can try the beers out, let you know how they are, and then also show you what's in the advent calendars for December 2nd. So The first beer I see, this is the HHG APA. So this is the one from Wisconsin. And then High Wire, the low pitch juicy IPA. It's cool packaging. Can you tell there's a dog on there? Sorry if my lighting seems a little off today. And here is the Honey Blonde Ale. And the High Wire Lager. So far I like the packaging. They all sound super good to me. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna drink all 4 on camera, but maybe I'll try like 1 or 2 before I come on camera and then have another one. But either way, I'll give you at least an impression of one of the beers, at least. It's Saturday, I can have a little fun, right? But anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later. Let me check the time on my brand new Fitbit, which is pretty awesome, by the way. It is 5:37, so it's been like 3 hours or so. I've tried one of the beers and it is so good. The first one I tried was the High Wire, the Juicy IPA, the one with the dog on it. And so far, this is my favorite. It is so good. Like, I can see myself trying to purchase this again. I honestly am going to look and see if they sell this stuff in Florida. And also, right now I'm sipping on the Honey Blonde Ale, and this is really good too. I just like this one a little bit more, but I tend to go for more like citrus type drinks. It's not like a strong citrus or anything like that. I do like blonde ales too, they're just not my go-to, but both are super good. So I tried one from each brewery so far, amazing. Like, I would drink these again for sure. So yeah, super good. Oh, and don't mind how I look right now. Okay, well, first off, I changed my shirt because I took my sweater off earlier and it looked like my armpits were like covered in hair, like I haven't shaved like ever. It's like, it wasn't even a brand new shirt, but it like rubbed off on my deodorant or something. So I just changed, and then I threw my hair up, and I've just been kind of watching YouTube and drinking this beer the last hour or two. And I didn't sleep at all last night, so yeah, if I look really shitty, which I do, that's why. Okay, but anyways, so I'm back to tell you about the beer and also to open the advent calendars for today. So today is day 2. I will start with this one, and these will be linked below as well. And I can't remember if I mentioned this earlier. If I did, I'm sorry, I'm repeating myself, but I'm super close to 1,500 subscribers. I think I'm only like 14 away or something like that, and I've already started to gather things for a giveaway. When I went back to Chicago, I found all these like unused, like unopened beauty products, so I took a lot with me, and I've gathered some new things since my last giveaway too. So if you like my content and you're watching this right now, subscribe, because coming soon, giveaway. Okay, so this is super cool. It rotates. I'm trying to find 2 right now. So yeah, it rotates 360 degrees. So cool. And this one is 24 days, and it's full of like skincare and stuff like that. L'Occitane is the best, like luxury skincare, like bougie stuff. Okay, so here's 2. And I opened this before, but I can't remember what day's what. Looks like this is lotion. This is day 2 of the advent calendar. And I will put some on right now. So yesterday was a body oil, so this probably goes with it. It's like not very scented. Oops, sorry, I left the sound on my phone. Whenever I don't sleep much, I just feel like my skin's so dry and unhealthy, especially my face, but sorry, my Snapchat's going nuts. I like that. Yeah, this is, I think, would qualify as unscented. Like, it kind of has a scent, you know how unscented things do? Oh, my Fitbit just told me I've been active for 9 hours straight. Cool. To be active, I think you only have to like move 250 steps an hour, but hey, did something today. All right, so awesome, I'm happy with that. I love small lotions too, because I can like just leave them in different areas of the house and also throw them in my bag. So for the bath bomb one, yesterday they kind of seemed out of place in there, but they're not really labeled inside the box, if that makes sense. So it doesn't matter what scent you get each day. And that was just earlier today when I filmed that other portion, so I haven't tried the bath bombs yet, but of course I'll let you know. So you just kind of have to like press it pretty tough. Oh, and this one's in its spot. Seriously, so cute and little. This one smells so good too. Oh my gosh, let me try and guess what scent it is. This must be the Magnolia Peach scented one. because just by the color, it's like, you know, it's peach colored, and it's the only one on here that looks like that. Whatever it is, it smells really good. So yeah, so I'll leave these both linked below along with the subscription box and the code, so you can save $5. Like, I love this. This is so good, these beers. And I'm not like a beer girl. Like, I kind of am, you know, I like to drink, but I usually sip on wine at home. But I like to have a beer. Like, I like to have good beer in my fridge too, especially if beer drinkers come over. And I would be proud to give a beer drinker these craft beers because they're so good. And I can't wait to learn more. I'm gonna read these in a little bit. I kept them up here, so I'm gonna bring them downstairs when I continue drinking because I think I'm gonna stay in tonight. I'm just so tired and I have no life, so. But yeah, did you answer the trivia questions yet? Make sure to do so if you want to. If you don't want to, it's cool, but. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Sorry I'm a mess today. I really need to get some sleep. But anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.